And again, for the quality of stabilization as the load is added. If we watch him, let me go back. When you look at him just holding the weights ready to go, he looks pretty cylindrical, right? He doesn't have a lot of excessive tone in his abdominal wall. It's all kind of filled out. As soon as he lifts those up, you see him lose that pressure. And you can even see as he pushes, and you see he's kind of going back and forth. He doesn't have stability because he went and his abdominal wall sucked in, his diaphragm didn't come down and allow him to connect things. So just watching what is happening and looking, you can see where there's imbalance in that shoulder girdle because of that. Then what you do is whether you can use the belt if you have one or just your hands, have them push out into the belt or push out into your hands and maintain it and then redo the motion and watch for the difference. And it's quite shocking sometimes how much that'll make a difference.